Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at top 9 game-changing hyper-naked bikes of 2025. You must see. Number 9. Kawasaki ZH2 SE ABS. The 2025 Kawasaki ZH2 SE ABS delivers a thrilling combination of power and advanced technology, earning its place as a premier hyper-naked bike. Powered by a 998cc supercharged inline-4 engine, it generates an astonishing 200 horsepower, ensuring adrenaline-pumping acceleration. The inclusion of Kawasaki's electronic control suspension with Showa Skyhook technology elevates comfort and handling, adapting seamlessly to road conditions. A Brembo-Stylema braking system ensures precise stopping power, enhancing safety on high-speed rides. The bike features an impressive 4.3-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to access ride modes, navigation, and vehicle data with ease. Aesthetically, the ZH2 SE ABS stands out with its aggressive Tsugomi-inspired design and sharp LED lighting. Real-world usability is bolstered by its comfortable upright seating position, making it suitable for spirited rides and long journeys alike. Riders rave about the supercharger's distinctive sound, which adds an extra layer of excitement to the riding experience. Priced at $21,700, the Kawasaki ZH2 SE ABS is a top-tier option for those seeking unparalleled performance in a naked bike. Its blend of advanced tech, raw power, and modern styling makes it a must-have for thrill seekers in 2025. Number 8. BMW R1250R. The 2025 BMW R1250R brings a perfect fusion of sophistication, power, and practicality to the hyper-naked category. Featuring a 1254cc boxer engine with BMW's ShiftCam technology, it produces 136 horsepower, delivering smooth and responsive performance. The bike's advanced suspension and braking systems provide confidence-inspiring control, whether on winding roads or in urban environments. The minimalist premium design incorporates a full-color TFT display with BMW Motorrad connected features. This intuitive interface offers navigation, phone integration, and ride customization. LED lighting enhances visibility and adds a modern touch to its aesthetics. The comfortable seating position and ergonomic handlebars ensure that riders enjoy long hours on the saddle without fatigue, making it a versatile choice for various riding styles. Real-world riders appreciate the R1250R for its smooth torque delivery, impeccable build quality, and practicality. It strikes a balance between sporty character and everyday usability. Priced at $16,120, the BMW R1250R provides an excellent option for those seeking a refined yet exhilarating hyper-naked motorcycle. Number 7. Yamaha MT9YT. The 2025 Yamaha MT9YT redefines versatility and agility in the hyper-naked segment. Its 890cc triple-cylinder engine produces a spirited 119 horsepower, offering a thrilling mix of torque and top-end performance. This model introduces Yamaha's adaptive manual transmission, AMT, providing seamless gear shifts for a dynamic riding experience. Its lightweight aluminum frame, coupled with a refined suspension system, ensures sharp handling and nimbleness. The 5-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity offers ride customization, notifications, and navigation assistance. The bold design features sculpted bodywork and an aggressive LED lighting system that commands attention. Comfortable ergonomics make the MT9YT ideal for city rides and weekend getaways. Riders love its exhilarating sound and precise throttle response, which inspire confidence in every twist of the throttle. With a price tag of $12,700, the Yamaha MT9YT is a compelling choice for riders seeking innovation and affordability in 2025. Number 6. Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS. The 2025 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS epitomizes raw power and refined engineering, making it a standout in the hyper-naked class. Its 1160cc triple-cylinder engine produces a ferocious 180 horsepower, delivering exhilarating acceleration and smooth mid-range torque. Paired with a lightweight chassis and Öhlins fully adjustable suspension, it handles with precision, whether on winding roads or the racetrack. Triumph has equipped the Speed Triple with a 5-inch TFT display, offering access to customizable ride modes, navigation, and smartphone integration via the My Triumph app. The sharp, minimalist design is complemented by LED lighting and premium paint finishes, giving the bike a sleek yet aggressive look. The lightweight aluminum frame and Brembo-style brakes ensure superior agility and braking performance. Riders praise the Speed Triple for its engaging ride and distinctive triple-engine sound. Despite its aggressive nature, the bike offers a comfortable riding position, making it surprisingly versatile for daily commutes and spirited rides alike. The build quality and attention to detail stand out, making every ride feel premium. Priced at $18,895, the Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS is an excellent option for riders who want a hyper-naked motorcycle that balances performance, style, and everyday usability. Its thrilling dynamics and top-notch features make it a must-consider model in 2025. Number 5. Aprilia Tono V4 Factory. The 2025 Aprilia Tono V4 Factory cements its legacy as one of the most exhilarating hyper-naked motorcycles. Powered by a 1099cc V4 engine, it delivers a staggering 180 horsepower, offering breathtaking acceleration and a top-end rush that thrills experienced riders. The bike features Aprilia's Performance Ride Control (APRC) system, which includes adjustable traction control, wheelie control, and cornering ABS, ensuring unmatched safety and confidence. Its semi-active Öhlins suspension adapts to various road conditions, providing exceptional handling and comfort. The sharp, race-inspired design is complemented by LED lighting and aerodynamic winglets that enhance high-speed stability. A 5-inch TFT display offers intuitive access to ride settings, navigation, and smartphone integration. Ergonomically, the Tuono V4 Factory strikes a balance between sporty and practical, making it suitable for both track days and spirited road rides. Riders love its exhilarating exhaust note and the way it transforms every twist of the throttle into an adrenaline-filled experience. The build quality reflects Aprilia's racing heritage, ensuring durability and performance. Priced at $19,599, the Aprilia Tono V4 Factory is a dream machine for enthusiasts seeking cutting-edge technology, jaw-dropping performance, and Italian flair. It is an ideal choice for riders who crave a no-compromise hyper-naked motorcycle. Number 4. Ducati Streetfighter V2S. The 2025 Ducati Streetfighter V2S redefines versatility and performance in the hyper-naked category. Its 990cc Super Quattro twin-cylinder engine produces an impressive 120 horsepower, ensuring a blend of aggressive acceleration and smooth power delivery. The V2S variant includes semi-active suspension, enhancing ride quality on both urban streets and mountain passes. The Streetfighter V2S is equipped with Ducati's cutting-edge electronics suite, featuring ride modes, cornering ABS, and Ducati Traction Control (DTC). The 5-inch color TFT display integrates navigation, multimedia control, and bike settings seamlessly. The bike's aggressive styling, highlighted by its signature biplane winglets and sharp LED lighting, turns heads wherever it goes. Comfort is prioritized with a slightly upright riding position and ergonomic seat, making it a versatile option for riders who want both sporty and practical attributes. The throaty exhaust note adds to the bike's personality, delivering a visceral riding experience. Build quality is exceptional, reflecting Ducati's commitment to performance and style. Priced at $17,995, the Ducati Streetfighter V2S offers an enticing mix of Italian craftsmanship, advanced technology, and thrilling performance, making it a top choice for 2025 hyper-naked bike enthusiasts. Number 3. MV Agusta Brutale 1000 RR Ottantesimo. The 2025 MV Agusta Brutale 1000 RR Ottantesimo is a masterpiece of engineering and artistry. Its 998cc inline-4 engine generates an astounding 201 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful hyper-naked motorcycles available. The bike's lightweight steel trellis frame and fully adjustable Öhlins suspension ensure razor-sharp handling and a connected feel on any road. The Ottantesimo edition celebrates MV Agusta's heritage with exclusive design elements, including unique paint schemes and premium materials. It features a high-resolution 5.5-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity, enabling navigation, ride customization, and performance tracking. Advanced electronics like traction control, launch control, and cornering ABS enhance safety and allow riders to push their limits confidently. Comfort is surprisingly good for a performance-focused machine, with an ergonomically designed seat and adjustable handlebars. The Brutale's exhaust note is an auditory delight, roaring with authority at every twist of the throttle. Build quality is impeccable, with attention to detail evident in every component. Priced at $38,198, the MV Agusta Brutale 1000RR Ottantesimo is a premium choice for riders seeking exclusivity, extreme performance, and Italian artistry. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of passion and precision. Number 2. KTM 1390 Super Duke R EVO. The 2025 KTM 1390 Super Duke R EVO lives up to its nickname, the Beast, with unrelenting power and cutting-edge innovation. Featuring a new 1350cc LC8V twin engine, it produces a jaw-dropping 188 horsepower and 145 Newton-meters of torque, offering explosive acceleration and effortless performance. Its lightweight chassis, combined with WP semi-active suspension, provides unparalleled handling precision and adaptability across various terrains. KTM's state-of-the-art electronics suite includes ride modes, cornering ABS, and motorcycle stability control MSC for enhanced safety. A 5-inch TFT display integrates seamlessly with KTM's My Ride system, providing navigation, media, and performance data. The aggressive, angular design of the bike is complemented by full LED lighting and sharp bodywork that exudes dominance on the road. The Super Duke R EVO is designed with rider comfort in mind, featuring an adjustable seat and wide handlebars for optimal ergonomics. Its deep, throaty exhaust note further adds to its commanding presence. Riders often praise its seamless power delivery and precision, making it an exhilarating choice for both track and street use. Priced at $21,499, the KTM 1390 Super Duke R EVO offers a perfect blend of raw power, cutting-edge technology, and aggressive styling, making it a top contender in the 2025 hyper-naked segment. Number 1. BMW M1000R. The 2025 BMW M1000R takes the crown as the ultimate hyper-naked motorcycle, combining race-inspired performance with everyday usability. Equipped with a 999cc inline-4 engine derived from BMW's S1000RR, it produces a staggering 210 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful motorcycles in its class. The addition of M-Spec components, including carbon fiber wheels and a lightweight chassis, enhances agility and precision. BMW's advanced electronics suite includes dynamic traction control, DTC, adjustable ride modes, and cornering ABS. A 6.5-inch TFT display with BMW Motorrad connected capabilities provides seamless navigation, performance metrics, and customization options. The aggressive aerodynamic design, featuring winglets for added downforce, enhances high-speed stability while turning heads on every ride. Despite its ferocious performance, the M1000R maintains rider comfort with an ergonomic seat and adjustable handlebars. Its refined build quality and attention to detail reflect BMW's engineering excellence. Riders rave about its smooth power delivery, exceptional braking performance, and the exhilarating sound of its Akrapovic exhaust system. Priced at $27,000, the BMW M1000R is the pinnacle of hyper-naked bikes for 2025, offering unmatched performance, luxury, and technology for riders who demand the very best. Which bike caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle content.